Today my African wife is healing us. What are you doing?
Okay, so we are having some sore throat and cough and cold because the kids got it too. Our son got pneumonia. So we are starting first by gargling pink Himalayan salt, having a tablespoon of honey, and then ending it with shots of ginger.
Is that just ginger?
Can you smell that?
I
That's
can.
strong. Burns, like it literally burns the mucus in your chest.
I can already feel it going in my chest. My goodness.
Hope you don't throw up today.
That's what it is you're gonna try to make me throw up on this camera.
First step, gargle. Alright, now it's time for the ginger. Alright, soothe the throat with honey.
Mmm.
The best part.